Look at this wall here, guys. It's rotted. Over 8 inches. It's slid into the house. This thing here is supposed to be tied over here. There's a huge crawl space inside there. Got to move this from here to here. You know, jack the house back up, make it pretty level, and get the weight off this. And then when we won't ever put a wall back underneath it. So I'm actually gonna build an addition on this house because it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. We're gonna make it a 3-bedroom, 2 bath. So what we got here, if you'll notice, this is a major foundation collapse. This actually, you'll see right here, this is the steps. It's supposed to be right here on the edge. Look how far it went in, over 8 inches. It slid into the house. So why would this little porch here push that foundation in? It's very easy. Back in the 40s, 50s, and 60s, they didn't put footers in, right? So when you put some weight on here like this, it's a solid concrete patio. And then, by the way, they covered it up with a deck. As you can see, they covered the deck and didn't do that right either. But when you put that kind of weight on here and the foundation's weak in the first place, and it's only, they are 8-inch blocks, but there's nothing there holding it. So the foundation just pushes it in and just does this over time until it collapses. That's exactly what you got there here. Look at this wall here, guys. This thing here is supposed to be tied over here. It went in about 12 inches. It's went in. How that's not falling? Water here is on the other side holding it up. Yeah, isn't that funny? All right, so we're gonna show you that here in a little bit. So the way we're gonna fix this is we're gonna tear this all out. I'm actually gonna build an addition on this house because it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. We're gonna make it a 3-bedroom, 2 bath. So I'm already here fixing it. I'm already placing the foundation anyway. So it's all, the only thing that's gonna cost me is an extra 4 foot coming out this way. Actually, we're on 6 foot. We have 6 foot now. We changed it to 6 foot to come out this way. So we're gonna come out here and dig a footer. We'll go underneath there, set beams up, and we'll jack the house back up, make it pretty level, and get the weight off this. And then when we won't ever put a wall back underneath it, so what we'll do is we'll put a beam underneath it, like you would if it was just a, it's in the center of the house, right? With a lot of weight on it. So we're gonna come out here, we're gonna add addition to it. You see right here, you see right here where we're coming out here, 2 extra feet, making this room 2 feet bigger. Now our biggest problem with this, as you can see, the siding had 2 layers of siding. It's out to here. It's about 4.5 inches from the wall. Well, that's not good either. So we're gonna actually bring this all out, do it properly, put another foundation in underneath this, and we're gonna cantilever it, make cantilever. It's not sure yet. And then we're gonna take this electrical panel off the house, set as temporary pole. So because we got to move this from here to here. Now what I'm gonna try to do, I haven't talked to my electrician yet. But when he gets here next day or so, we're going to see if he can actually run the panel into the crawl space. There's a huge crawl space inside there. I'd rather not have this on the outside, even though they are weather. They're designed for weather. Just I'm not a big fan of electrical panels on the outside. Preference, no big deal. But since we got it off the house anyway, if I can come down somehow and make the wires go underground. There's another deal. Look how far the telephone pole is away from this thing. This thing is sagging so much. This thing's got a ton of weight on this pole, and it wouldn't take nothing for that thing to fall off. So I'm gonna have to have this disconnected before I can pull anything in this wall off, because this wall is actually holding, even though it's rotted. There's still enough there to hold it. So if this is helpful to you, please subscribe to my YouTube video channel at InstaDri Kevin Jarday and InstaDri.com. Thanks.